Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to compare two popular air fryers to see which one is worth your money. The Ninja AF161 is priced at $169 United States dollars, while the Chefman multifunctional digital air fryer plus rotisserie is priced at $139 United States dollars. In terms of price, the Chefman air fryer is more affordable, making it a great option for those on a budget. The Ninja AF161 has a 5.5 quarts, ceramic-coated nonstick basket and crisper plate that can fit 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. In comparison, the Chefman air fryer has an extra-large 10-liter capacity, making it great for family-size meals and meal prepping large quantities of food. The Ninja AF161 offers 7 versatile cooking programs, including Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. The Chefman air fryer offers 17 preset options, allowing for a wider variety of cooking options. Both air fryers are designed for easy cleaning. The ceramic basket on the Ninja AF161 is nonstick and dishwasher safe, while the Chefman air fryer has removable drip trays and dishwasher safe parts for fast and simple cleanup. The Ninja AF161 has Max Crisp technology that delivers 450 degrees of superheated air to cook foods up to 30% faster versus Ninja AF100 for hotter, crispier results with little to no oil for guilt-free fried favorites. The Chefman air fryer uses rapid air heating elements to cook fast, even, and crispy food without preheating like traditional ovens. Both the Ninja AF161 and Chefman air fryers allow you to make healthy meals with less oil than traditional fryers. Ninja AF161 claims to have up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods, while the Chefman air fryer claims to use 98% less oil than traditional fryers. In terms of healthy cooking, both air fryers perform well. And that concludes our comparison of these two popular air fryers. Which one do you think is right for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews.